With the Branding Add-on module, you can fully personalize your HAPBX installation to match your brand. This add-on allows you to upload custom logos, modify the application name, adjust the base color, redesign the login screen, and much more. The Branding Add-on is a commercial module and requires a valid license to unlock all of its features. You can purchase a standalone license for the Branding Add-on or get it included with any of our subscription plans or the HAPBX license. To begin using the Branding Add-on, install it from the Add-ons module by navigating to Admin, Add-ons, and then Add-ons. After the installation is complete, refresh your browser and go to Admin, Tools, and then Branding. In the General tab, you can define the base color that will be applied across the entire interface. This color will be used for text, highlights, and accent elements instead of the default. You can also change the application title and name so that HAPBX is no longer mentioned anywhere in the interface. This option is ideal when using the multi-tenant add-on to deliver cloud-based PBX services to your customers. Additionally, you can customize the slogan and social media links shown on the login screen and in the login footer. You can upload different logos for desktop and mobile views, as well as for light and dark modes. The mobile logo is also used as the favicon. At any moment, you can quickly disable branding to revert back to the default HAPBX appearance. This is helpful for comparing changes, or when an uploaded logo does not display correctly on the first attempt. There is also a Meet URL option that lets you change the base URL used for video conferencing under PBX, Extras, and Video Conferencing. By default, we provide a courtesy Jitsi-based server. You can follow our guide to set up your own Jitsi server and use the Meet URL option to point HAPBX to your meeting server. Next, in the GUI tab, you can modify several color elements within the HAPBX web interface. This provides additional customization for the top navigation bar and the main menu on the left side. After that, the Login Design tab allows you to customize various visual elements on the login screen. You can also change the background image and the logo displayed on the login page. If preferred, you may disable the background image and use a solid color instead. Finally, users with a Carrier Plus plan or a HAPBX license gain access to the Branding Plus extended features. This adds the Add-ons tab, where you can modify the application name and URL prefix for the Sonata Suite and VitXi applications. These apps will also use the logos uploaded in the General tab. Once you are satisfied with your configuration, click Save in the bottom right corner to apply the changes. If you want to discard your changes, you can click Reset in the bottom left corner to restore all default values. With the Branding module, you can give HAPBX a personal touch and align it with your company's identity. delivering a more professional experience to your customers.